Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to harvest dragon fruit and grow a garden. Harvesting dragon fruit and grow a garden is an exciting challenge for any player. Dragon fruit is a mythical tier crop, extremely rare, with seeds available from some shops at a mere 0.05% spawn chance, costing 50,000 shekels or 597 Robux, or occasionally from super packs, seed packs, or daily quest rewards. Once you have the seed, select an empty lot and plant it, keeping in mind that dragon fruit trees are large, about 2.5 by 2.5 studs, so space is important. Growth takes roughly 5 to 7 minutes, but sprinklers or watering tools can speed this up. Once matured, each tree yields 2 to 5 fruits per harvest, continuing indefinitely. To collect, climb the tree and hold E near the fruit. For high or hard to reach fruit, jump, climb higher, or use bamboo scaffolding. For efficiency, a harvester tool from the gear shop can help gather all fruits at once, though it comes at a higher cost. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.